Hello guys, good morning. I'm going to my friend's house. I'll just go walking. But first I need to pass by in the pharmacy. I want to buy eye drops because my eyes is paining again. See? I'm walking along Airport Road. I'm just gonna walk so that I can exercise also. This is along Airport Road. Their house is near Alwada, beside their Marriott Hotel. Today is holiday, that's why my employer allowing me to go out, and it's boring in the house. That's why I decided to go out, to go with my friend's house today. I want to buy also a banana sabah. Any banana. Can be the Indian banana or the Philippine sabah. I'll just check if they have here. But I want to pass by in the pharmacy to buy my eye drop. Bye guys, I need to put this down because I'm gonna cross the road. It's not allowed to use cell phone while crossing the road. Bye, good morning.